Yeah.
Two minutes is forever putting this stuff on. Once you learn your technique of how you put it on, now the objective is not just to put it on all the way. You've got to make sure that no skin is exposed. All your buttons and zippers are attached. Your air tank turned on all the way, not just a portion.
Okay, is all this things back there, all time frame.
And then what the evaluator will do is then come in and you will look your head to toe. Alright, then he'll spin you around, he'll check to make sure your air bottle's all the way on. And then he'll say, alright, you passed. Now he'll ask you to do another skill, which will be operate your emergency bypass. Alright, or skip breathing. Alright, good deal. Break down and pass station 1.